A critical component of traditional organizational structures is authority. Authority is the right to give commands, take action, and make decisions to achieve organizational objectives. The chain of command is the vertical line of authority that clarifies who reports to whom throughout the organization. People higher in the chain of command have the right, if they so choose, to give commands, take action, and make decisions concerning activities occurring anywhere below them in the chain. In the following discussion about delegation and decentralization, you'll learn that managers don't always choose to exercise their authority directly. One of the key assumptions underlining the chain of command is unity of command, which means that workers should report to just one boss. In practical terms, this means that only one person can be in charge at a time. Matrix organizations, in which employees have two bosses, automatically violate this principle. This is one of the primary reasons that matrix organizations are difficult to manage. Unity of command serves as an important purpose to prevent the confusion that might arise when an employee receives conflicting commands from two different bosses.